My name is Efren Saenz. I'm the Director of Operations at Bartco Lighting in Huntington Beach. We're a manufacturer of LED and fluorescent lighting fixtures. We service many industries, commercial, retail, institutional, colleges, hospitals, and many others. Initially, we were looking at our turret presses, and at the time I was talking to the salesman and I told him that we really need to do something to increase our capacity in the metal shop, and we're looking at buying another press brake as well. He said, well, before you buy another press brake, you really should look at doing your setup change reduction because you do so many changeovers. We're doing 6 to 8 changeovers per day per machine. And so I approached our equipment supplier. He said that we should look at SigmaBEND as the primary point where we can reduce changeover time so that we can take programming offline. And once you do that, then everything else is just changing your tooling, the quick change tooling, and maybe upgrading your current press brakes. So that's what we did. Before SigmaBEND, everything had to be done manually. These bolts all had to be loosened on the top and the bottom. We had to put old tooling in, which required a lot of shimming, and then we had to program the part. So the operator would be here. Instead of making parts, they'd spend 20 minutes or so programming the part and doing all these manual operations. In total, about 30 minutes per setup. 6 times a day, that's almost 2.5 hours per machine, per shift. So with SigmaBEND, now we've upgraded the tooling, we've upgraded the machines, we have quick change tooling, we implemented SigmaBEND. Now all the programs are done offline, they come to the control, the operators now take a work order, they call it up on the machine, it tells them exactly where to put their quick change tooling, and there's no programming, they can go from one job to the next job in approximately 5 minutes. We've taken our on-time completion from really in the 20% range to over 95% on-time completion since we started. So as a result of implementing SigmaBEND, we really have improved significantly. We are able to free up a lot of shop time capacity. It's really equivalent of adding another press brake. We were able to get back approximately 2.5 hours, close to 3 hours per press brake. And we have 3 press brakes, so that's a whole shift's worth of work that we were able to get back. It was a very detailed project. The time and motion study helped us get started. We also needed to add quick change tooling, which was a big commitment. We had to upgrade our equipment. We had to train everybody, and nobody believed that it really could be done. When we told them that the setup times were going to go from 30 minutes to 5 minutes, nobody believed it, from the president down to the operators. But after the study was concluded, we're there for companies willing to invest the time and the effort, the training. It's a great investment and it's well worth it.